Why C? It's easier to learn C if you can compare it to a language you already know, because the C language has many features and advantages. Now let's get started with the salient features of the C language. Operating system portability. We can write a C program in an operating system, and this program can be carried out in another operating system. Highly efficient object code. This is a computer code which helps execute our program quickly. Support of structured programming. The C language has a standard programming format. Each program must have a main function and other attributes. Standard function libraries. The C language is entirely integrated with the functions which are stored in the library. Ease of access to hardware features. C language supports writing programs to affect the hardware, such as memory management, process scheduling, etc. The main reasons to learn the C language are improved code readability. Compared with other languages, C language has instructions which are easily understood by the user. The compiler will program your code for a better speed. Dynamic register allocation. In C language, the storage allocation will be carried out during the execution time. Other automatic optimizations increase the total execution of code. Now you can see the features and the advantages of the C language. That is why many people have been using C language for their development of operating systems, C language compilers, assemblers, text editors, print spoolers, network drivers, modern programs, databases, language interpreters, utilities. Now you can realize the worth of the C language.